welcome to my vlog. Today's video, I'm going to do a product review of the ring light that I bought yesterday. So I just bought it from an online seller because I prefer those. I prefer to buy it from the online seller because I have doubts if I'm going to buy it from Shopee or Lazada, or it has to transfer from Manila to Cebu. So I've heard, as we all know, we heard a lot of horror stories about the products being broken, and what you call this, seller are not refunding them. So that's why I prefer to buy it from an online seller which is around the area. In that case, I'll be able to check and at the same time return if in case something there is a damage on the product that I bought. So I'm going to do a product review and at the same time demonstrate on how to assemble the ring light. So I bought the ring light because I wanted to have a better lighting on my videos, and I really wanted to pursue in vlogging, not because I wanted to earn more money. That would be later on, but more of I wanted to help people and inspire people, especially young vloggers, and want to start their business on YouTube. So here we are. So let's set up first. Alright, so here you are. Ring fill light. So I'm sure you will gonna see this a lot in the Shopee and Lazada. So since I bought it from an online seller, so it's a little expensive, but I'm quite satisfied with the product. So I've tested it yesterday, but I'm just going to give you a demo or a demonstration on how to assemble it and what's inside of it. Okay, so this is a tricolor, warm light, cold, and fluorescent, something like that. So it's mixed, so you can have that kind of whether if you want just a cooler lighting, so you could use the blue one, and if you want a warmer lighting, you can use the warm light. So okay, so let's open this one. So here you are. So if you're going to ask how much is this, this is 950 pesos. So it's quite expensive though, because this is not really very durable, I'm sure. As you can see, maybe it's made in China. You can really tell the difference whether the product is good or durable by looking at the plastic and its components. So looking at it, I'm sure it's not durable, so you'll be extra careful when using this one. So here you are. So here's the ring light, 26 centimeter. So if I'm going to put my face inside, like that. So that's how big it is. So it doesn't have a plug because we'll have to find the plug on this because it's a USB type. And here is the adjustment of the lightings and how you want it, brighter or not, or just dim. So I'm gonna test it later. Okay, so here you are, the ring light. Then next is the stand, the tripod. Okay, so I'm quite happy with the tripod because it really extended very high, as you can see. So at first I had a headache in assembling this one because I thought there is one component that is missing, but you just have to really take time to understand each of it so that you will install it, you will assemble it properly. So I kind of had a headache when I assemble it, but since I knew it already, so we will have a smooth assemble of this product. Okay, so here you are, the tripod. So you're just gonna, this one is the lock, the screw. So you just need to loosen up this one, then extend it. Did you see it? Had it widen the feet of this and then stretch it up. Okay, so when you stretch it up, you can actually extend it higher. So I'm going to move, okay, here, this is how high it is. Yeah, like that. Okay, you see? Okay, put it down. So I prefer that you widen your base or spread the legs properly so that it will have a proper or stable standing. Because if you're just gonna extend it like that, just a small wide, there's a possibility that your ring light will fall down. So I suggest you spread it a little bit more. Anyway, you wouldn't have a problem with the extension, or if you want to get to take this higher, because you can still extend this on the second on this second part. Okay, so it's stable. So I like it this to be safe. And then tighten up. Just need to tighten up so it's all locked up. And if I'm gonna put it down, so that's it. That's higher. That's how high it is. But you can still extend. Okay, so I just need to adjust this. Okay, so if you're gonna adjust this, so it will take you higher and higher. Right. Great, right? Okay, so but if you want just simple, or just enough, then you can have it like this. So okay, so let's tighten up this one. Okay, that's locked. Now it's time for us to put on the ring light. So at first I was confused. Oh, how am I going to put the ring light? I thought there was a missing component, because how can I put this? Like what? No. So there should be a screw. So then I realized this one is a cup. So I just have to remove this one. Okay. Okay, let's remove. So that's it. The screw of this, and there is where you're going to put in there. Okay. So let's install this one. Assemble this. Okay. I think it's locked up. Right. So as you can see, it's movable. So there's another lock in here. I'm going to show you. I want you to look closer in here. So loosen up here, and you can move your ring light 360 degrees. Okay, but so up to you. So just lock this again, tighten up to make it stable. Then that's the time you're going to install your ring light. There. Okay, so let's try to let's put it. Then we'll test it out, the lights of the ring light, the 3 colors. Oh, just need to be extra careful with the wire, because you know this is not durable product. Okay, so I just have to turn this. Okay, here you go. Right. So here's the ring light. Now I'm going to demo to you. So as what I've told you, this is you can rotate this 360 degrees if you want this, like if you want to have a photography on the table, you can bend this down or put this up or side to sides. Okay, so it's up to you. So for now, for the demonstration, you just have to put it like this. So here's the cell phone holder, where you can put your cell phone if you want to focus on you. And then now the next thing to do is to test out the lights. So since this is USB type, we will need the head of the cell phone charger. Okay, let me find one. Hang on. Alright. Okay. So I found one. Okay. Or you can also use power bank if you want to have a ring light outside and there's no available plug. So for testing out, let's see. Let's plug this one. Okay, here you are. It's on. It's blue. Okay, here you are. So it's warm light. We have the warm light. There's really a big difference if you have a ring light because it really helps in your vlogging. Okay, so let's change color. Okay, that's the cooler one, or the I think it's the same with the lighting in your house. And this one is a little warmer. The cooler. This one is the cooler one. Yeah, so tricolor. So this one is the cooler one. This one is the warmer one, and this one is just the a little bit warm. Just a little bit warm, just right. So you can adjust the lighting from very high to low. Okay. Alright. Okay. So I'm quite satisfied with the product, and I don't need a lot of lighting. This product just enough for me. This is a 26 centimeter in diameter. So if you want to have products, if you're looking for ring light, this 26 centimeter will do. Yes. But if you want to cover all the spaces when you do a vlogging, I prefer you buy the bigger one. But this one is just right for me because I want more of my vlogs is focusing on myself and more on just on my face, so half of my body, and demonstration as well. So right now, let's test it out. I'm going to test it. So if you can see the difference. See. Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. So let's test out another one. So actually this one is the lowest. So if you want to adjust more, right, adjust more. Okay, very clear. Now changed color. Okay, the cooler one. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video, something like that, or warmer one. Okay, so that's it. I think that's all, and I'm quite happy with this product, although I bought it in a little expensive. So did I miss something? So that's it. This one is the ring light that I bought, this box. So actually this is sponsored by my sister. So thank you, sister from UK. I know, because she's rich and I'm poor. So that's why I asked sponsorship from her. So thank you very much. Shout out to my sister in UK, Descubs. Sana all, and sana more sponsorship on my vlogging. Anyway, that's all. So I hope you guys buy your ring light too and do a vlogging and share us with your experience, and at the same time share us your stories, and let's make this world fun and just enjoy, even though we're facing a lot of battles every day. But let's keep ourselves positive and inspire others. So thank you very much. I hope you like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe on my channel and click the notification bell. I only have few subscribers, so please subscribe. I only have 30 subscribers, so please help me share this video, and I promise to do more vlogs to be able to entertain you or to help you with the online world and home base. If you're looking for jobs, I may be able to help you in the future and find clients for you just like mine, because I am a social media manager. I've been handling clients. I might be able to help you with your finances. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you like it. Thanks. Bye bye. By the way, this is Reggie, and subscribe on my channel.